To get an idea about how to best present your final product before putting your results into EST, please take a look at the EST Database on the official site where you can see published results and to find out what others have achieved as part of the Comenius Partnership, Leonardo Partnership, and Grunfig Partnerships. To access the EST Database, use the login and password that was provided by your national agency. On this page, you will find a toolbar with two buttons that allow you to insert information about your partnership and your results. You can save your work at any time, log out, and log into the input page again later in a different work session. On the Partners tab, you will find your institution's information already filled out. Please check to make sure the email address and name of the contact person are correct and update them in case of any changes. On the Description tab, the title and project description are pre-filled in the project's working language, both of which can only be modified by the coordinator of the project if needed. In order to insert a second translation, choose your national language from the drop-down menu and fill in the project description. It does not have to be a strict translation of the text, but it should be coherent with the activities mentioned. Please remember that the project summary is the core part of documentation. Therefore, what will be available to users of EST should best represent your project. The Thematic Area tab is pre-filled, and we can move on to the next tab. On the Logo tab, the coordinating partner can upload the project's logo, which will appear next to the title and content of the project on the EST public webpage. This adds visibility and makes your project more attractive. If you don't have a logo, why not upload an image representative of your project? All you have to do is click Yes, select a logo, browse your computer for the specific file, upload the logo, and return to the partnership page. The second phase of documentation concerns project results. The term results has wide meaning and can include tangible and intangible end products. For example, multimedia resources, artistic objects, events, and dissemination. Each partner has to describe in EST at least one product or result. To input your project results, there are two options. By clicking on New Results, indicated by the flag of each country, it is possible to insert a product made by your institution. By clicking on New Joint Result, indicated by the European flag, it is possible to add a common product. Let's try to insert a new result. For each product, you have to fill out 5 different sections: description, language, audience, type, and availability. On the first tab, Description, indicate the title and description of a single product in both the working and national language, in this case, Italian. On the Language tab, you simply must check the language in which the product has been realized. On the Audience page, select who the intended audience is for the product. It could be students, instructors, and it's even possible to select the age of the students. On the Type tab, indicate the type of support that was used to achieve the final product. We suggest that you pay particular attention to the Availability tab. EST is a database of projects and results. Showing the results of your cooperation will give more visibility to the whole partnership and to your institution, and will allow national agencies to have complete documentation of your work. To decide the availability of a single product, there are a number of options. The first option is to be ordered to. In this case, it is necessary to input a valid email address of the contact person in the specific field. Otherwise, it is possible to insert a link that will allow you to link directly to your product. In this case, it is necessary to insert the link to your website, video, or other material by copying the link in the URL field. Additionally, it is possible to input a product that can be directly downloaded by anyone interested. All you have to do is click Upload, find the file on your computer, upload it, and return to the results page. Please remember to save your work so that your results will be available on the results page. Remember, it is always possible to re-enter your project to modify it or delete and insert a new one. Clicking on New Joint Result, indicated by the European flag, it is possible to add a joint product. Either partner can do this. It is also important for joint products that all 5 sections are filled out, similar to the process for single products. Well done! Now your project is in EST and is a part of European Shared Treasure. On the website of your institution and your partners, you can insert a link to the EST page with your results using the logo I am in EST, which can be downloaded from the EST site on the logo section.